Hopefully you guys can hear me well enough. It is the end of the day and I'm just going over my bi-weekly budget. This is from Tiff at Logic Life Planner. If I can find the link, I'll give you the link. This is something that I bought from her to start digitally doing my budget instead of doing the pen and paper, which I do prefer, but when I'm on the go, this is easy for me to just log into my Google account and look at the budget, so I won't go over budget as well. So it's easier for me to have it, and I can also print this off if I need to. So here's my budget. You can do it by however you get paid. Mine is bi-weekly, and I'm just putting in what I have. Alright, so I'm putting in how much I'm supposed to be receiving every paycheck as well as what my boyfriend gives me. So you can see I'm just looking to make sure I have the right amount that I get paid in the right spots. So I'm putting in my exact pay that I know that I'm going to receive. And this is going to make it a little bit easier for me to budget bi-weekly, and I can also budget ahead. Everything's already going to calculate for me as I put in the numbers. And as I check it off, it will just check it off my list for me to let me know if I've already paid it or not once I've done it. And at the bottom, you can see as I enter in amounts, the balance does decrease. So I know what I have left over. So it's really, really convenient with the check boxes and also the automatic calculations of everything. So I'm going to be quiet and let you watch as I go through to make sure these amounts are correct. Also, you can see that I'm changing amounts. As I go through and check them off, that means I put a payment in online and I'm checking it off. Or I'm transferring money to an account. Then I check it off to make sure it is going to come out of that paycheck. So this is what I'm going to be doing this going forward. I'm going to start over fresh in March and really show you how I budget plan throughout the month. This will be after I have received my taxes. So this tax check that I'm going to be getting in the next couple of days is going to cover a lot of my bills. So I'm not going to budget for the 27th. Mostly all of my paycheck from the 27th is going to go into savings because I already have probably 3-4 times my paycheck in my account at that time. So I'm going to start over fresh in March and we'll see where we're going. Also, I'm going to be doing savings challenges. So I bought a couple of things from the beautiful me, whatever her name is. I keep forgetting how to say her name. I bought a lot of her challenges as well, so I'm going to start doing those on camera instead of doing my budget pen and paper. I'm just going to do my budget on the digital sheets, and the savings challenges are going to be live with me counting and coloring in any savings challenges that I have. And I will show those in a video coming soon.